Alright, today we're going to go through the Connect These series, the VBK series. We have these for 24 and 36 volt kits. We're going to connect it to a trolling motor and we're going to hook it up to the batteries so you guys can see how that works. Shoot this. On every Connect These kit, the instructions for how to connect these are on the back of the faceplate that's in the product that shows like that. All the instructions for connections are on the back. I've got my kit and we've connected the batteries. You can cut those out. You don't have to do that again, right?
Right.
Okay. And now I'm going to take my 24 volt Connect These kit without an onboard charger. It comes with 2 heat shrinkable butt splices. What you want to do is take the leads from your trolling motor, and they always have these cheesy little lugs on there that are made of kind of cheap metal. I don't like those things very often, so I'm just going to chop them off. And we're going to strip this with our stripper. About that far. Got them nice and clean. Take the red, which is positive, and the red lead that comes on your trolling motor, looks like that. It'll either have that half red or it'll have a red stripe on it, one of the two usually. Stick it in the butt splice, up nice and tight. Take our crimper. We're going to crimp that good and tight. It's nice and tight in there. And we're going to take our negative side of the kit and we're going to put that in the butt splice like that. Put it in there nice and tight. Take the crimper again and crimp that on there nice and tight. Take that on there, we're going to crimp that on there nice and tight.
Just don't pull it this time.
this in right here. Now we've got our negative connection from the trolling motor to our negative connection on the VBK kit. We're going to take these two heat shrinks. We're going to use our heat gun or your wife's blow dryer or a match, or you can use a lighter or a small butane torch, and shrink those down carefully so that they shrink right up nice and tight to the wire. There is adhesive in these butt splices, so it will adhere to that wire, and it'll make it the most corrosion-free connection that you possibly can have. Corrosion resistant, probably a better term. Sure you get both sides. You can see that it shrinks up nice and tight on that wire. There's no opening for any moisture to get in there. Okay. Now we've got our 24 volt VBK kit all hooked up. We can actually just snap that back into the connections for your batteries, like so. And you're good to go. Enjoy your fishing.